Hey, welcome to our kitchen tour video. Let's jump right in, Neddys. So let's start in this corner with this little round table that we got from Bargain Hut. It's a black and white table that we did not know what to do with, but we put it here to start off the theme of this kitchen. We just decorated it with a few little trinkets, a photo from Dollar General, a nice little vase from Dollar Tree. Then we're gonna swing around to the family pet, Yuffie Nedd. That's our family pet, guys. Just kidding. That's the vacuum and we love it. So here we go. We got this mirror here from a yard sale for $3. It was brown, it was ugly, it looked crazy. I got Hamlet to paint it in all black, still didn't like it, and decided to buy some fabric from Walmart and repurpose this mirror by covering it in cloth. So it gives the kitchen texture. I love it. I feel like I can do anything now that I have created this project. So just remember, when you have something you want to change, buy some fabric. That may help. All right, so here we go. There's a little key rack that we have here right by the door. If you come off the garage, it just says welcome to our home, and we hope that you feel welcome. A black and white trash can, nothing much to see here. We didn't do anything fancy. We just took a different top and a different bottom and made it a trash can. Picked these photos up from TJ Maxx. It was a 2-pack for $25. We added a utensil clock, which we thought would make a really cute touch to this dining area of the kitchen. And that way everybody can see the clock from any angle. And then there's that matching photo. Remember, it's a 2-pack. It really complements the table and it set the tone for how we wanted this kitchen area to look. Next, we're gonna go over to the door. We just decided to do a little mat that says, when life gives you lemons, make something sweet. That's so true, guys. Make sure you always make something sweet or try to make lemonade or whatever you gotta do. Just do what you can. All right, so we're gonna swing over to this side of the counter by the sink. And we decided to just decorate it with a few things. We tried an artificial plant first. Thought that was a nice space for it. We found that plant at Marshall's. A faith picture from Dollar General. I'm a very big bargain shopper. You guys will get to know that as time goes on. I also found these little lemons, which is a cool pop of color. Those were from Dollar General as well. That little platter that it's on is from Walmart. The canisters we found at our local Kroger, which happened to match as well, on clearance, of course. The paper towel rack came from Marshall's. And then the little artificial window plants, those came from IKEA. They were literally like $2 or less. So check out IKEA for those, guys. So as the kitchen continued to take form, we knew that we were going to do black as one of the main colors, and we knew that we wanted to do the pop of color, which you guys now have seen that it's lemon. And so we went with this nice little dish rack. I love this dish rack. I love the accent of wood on the ends of it. I actually found it at Marshall's. It's very easy to clean. It's really nice. It's just a nice addition to this area. And then I added a bread box, which happens to look just like that rack, but I got the bread box at Home Goods, which is a sister store to Marshall's. I don't know if you guys know, but cutting boards are becoming a theme in kitchens now, so I decided to add a little cutting board with a message. And then we also added utensils to this side of the kitchen. Beside this photo that says, in this house we dance in the kitchen, and we always do when the food is so yummy, and the food is always good here, so we're dancing all the time. We thought that was a cute touch, and that photo actually came from Dollar General, as well as these little lemon salt and pepper shakers. The utensils, I actually ordered them on Facebook Marketplace. They did come in white and teal, but Hamlet painted them black for me. And then we tied it in with some kitchen towels, which are from Dollar Tree, $1 each, guys. So as you come around to this space, we decided to put the microwave there. That little easel on top, I actually wrote the eat word on that easel. I didn't know what to do with it, and it came from Dollar General as well. How you guys like the microwave in that space? Remember when we were thinking about what to do? It actually fit in there nicely. And so there's the fridge. You've seen that before. And the fridge just has a couple of little magnets on it. I don't like a lot of refrigerator clutter. I don't like clutter in general. You remember, if your area is cluttered, then your mind is cluttered. So if you ever feel like you're overwhelmed, then check your surroundings. It could be the clutter that has you all anxious and just wanting a change. And then that little piece of paper over there is Lourdes's menu for special kids. We always like to know what she's eating there to get some ideas at home, just in case we run out of any ideas. So here's the kitchen space. What do you guys think so far? Please comment down below and let us know. We love it. This is probably the best place in this house. It's just really nice and inviting, and we've entertained already here a little bit, and we can't wait to do more. So now we're going to show you our kitchen table. The kitchen table actually was bought from a marketplace group as well. This is the original right here. My sister found this table in her community group for the subdivision she lives in. We only paid 50 bucks for it. As soon as she sent it to me, I said, sold, I'll take it. We painted it black, added these placemats to go with the rest of the black and white in the kitchen. It just really draws and brings everything together. Those coasters are from Kroger, and that centerpiece of lemons is actually from Marshall's. I decided to cover the seats with some really neat seat covers from Amazon. They're simple, they don't tie down, they're easy to clean. When you flip over the seat cushion, it has a really good grip on the bottom that allows for you to sit without it moving around, so it's non-slip. I really do like them. They come in different colors, so it fits this chair perfectly and this space perfectly. And this chair here, we just have Lourdes's booster seat. It is a portable booster, but we always keep it at home so that she's able to sit up at the same height as us. And that's what we did with this table, guys. Really cute, really works with the rest of the black and white theme on this side of the dining area. My favorite part, you guys, the beverage bar. You guys knew I wanted to make this a beverage bar. You knew I wanted to make it a coffee bar. And this custom sign I found at Bed Bath & Beyond. It was less than $30. It says the Nedd's beverage bar is blended and brewed, open 24 hours a day. So if you come over and make a drink, baby. Anyway, so I love this space. I have so much more to do with this space, but we wanted to show you guys now. And then all of the little signs above, I ended up finding those at places like that one was probably from Home Goods. The one below, or I'm sorry, this one for Coffee Fun, I found at Bargain Hut. That one I found for 34 cents at Bargain Hut. I'm like, it goes perfect with the lemon theme. It gives you a cute little message. This one is probably the most important message. And then here we go, down to the bar itself. We just chose one of those single serve small Keurigs because the space is not that big. The K-cup holder came from Amazon, and it holds K-cups on each side, but I only decided to use one. If nothing else comes from this video, remember to get you an Ember mug and a milk frother. I use a frother to stir my coffee so that it's perfectly mixed with the cream. And then the Ember mug speaks for itself. Google it, guys. It's expensive, but it's worth it. I found this little vase at Bargain Hut. This little jar, just like on the table in the corner, was from Special Kids. It's just a prayer a day. It's so sweet, and it tells you to be the light. And this mug set we found at Home Goods. All right, so since we don't have a pantry, guys, we decided to add this little basket from Amazon. You can get it in 3 or 4 tier, and that's where we keep all of our fresh produce. So you have to be creative when you need to create space, and that's what we did. I'll definitely add more to the coffee bar and hopefully be able to share it with you along the way. So here's our kitchen, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to comment down below, share this video if you care, subscribe to our channel, encourage others to subscribe. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.